look, when we started this project, we actually employed all HR managers, from HR manager, deputy manager, assistant manager, 3 of them. They were Botswana. They've been fired for stealing. The manager was employing his own family members at Kato and putting them, laborers, he was putting them as steel fixers, pipe fitters, earning 8,000 instead of 3,000. And then you had the managers that were exaggerating overtime for people. So those things, they were discovered, all of them. They were fired, and the cases are in the courts.
So you took them to court?
Yeah, we took them to court, and they are in court. As I speak, the subject is *𝑘𝑠𝑢𝑑𝑒. So there is no such thing as Botswana were not there. I mean, we had even Botswana project managers who really, they were not performing. Those ones, the managers, the workers perform if they are under good management and leadership. But you find a manager who wants to be a unionist in the company. You can't be a unionist here. You are a project manager. You have to manage the affairs of Kato. You can't start managing the affairs of things that you are not employed to do. So if you do that, we will kick you out. Firing is very much on the agenda. It's not even a thing I'm even shy to do. You steal, you lie, you are lazy, you get fired. It's as simple as that. So, but there was nobody from South Africa. These people came because they had to rescue the situation. But remember also, Kato Civils is a South African company. So there is no way you can avoid South African. But they have been also training the guys who are here. So very shortly in the other projects, it will be Botswana. We hope we don't get people who steal. I don't think everybody who is in Botswana will steal, but they were thieves, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.